Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. This is a 2011 Ford F150 XLT. I made a walk around video of this. I'll put that in the video right now. This is a cold start of it. What I never noticed before is, I'll show you on the driver's side as I'm headed over there, the fact that this is a heavy half-ton F150. This is not the normal one. This has the 7 lugs. Yeah, I'll get the door open. Find the key out of my pocket. And we'll get in. Okay, so in this vehicle now. Step on in using the running boards that this one comes with. It is 4-wheel drive. Has 121,181 kilometers on it. Starts right up. Doesn't even know it's winter. Nice truck. Very big truck. Full bench seat to hold 6 people too. Apparently, the key just dropped out of my pocket. But yeah, pretty nice vehicle. Show you around the outside and under the hood. This has the 8-foot bed on it, your chrome gas cap, which is aftermarket, and your chrome bars across here, as well as chrome up here, and the chrome door handles. Keyless entry on the door panel, chrome wheels, halogen headlights, nice large chrome grille. Take a look under the hood now. There it is. There we go. Here is your 5-liter Coyote V8. Came out in 2011, and this is a 2011. Lots of power in this engine. You'll never have a problem passing or towing anything that this truck is rated to tow. Runs really nice. Anyway guys, there is a cold start of this 2011 Ford F150 with a 5-liter V8. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and share the video, as well as subscribe for more.